Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can liquify an image or photo in Affinity Designer, for example, to create a warp effect. So let us get started. So head over to your design on Affinity. Use the image placeholder tool here to position your image, and after that upload the image in JPEG or PNG file format from your device. You may, for example, resize it if you like. So what you want to do, guys, is left click into the image, and here at the top you will see the Liquify tool next to replace image, right? So click into it, and that is going to navigate you to this menu here to the right. So under brush, for example, you may adjust the brush size, right? So if I increase it, I will see the brush being having this size, but you can also resize the brush, and as you can see, it's smaller. So what you want to do is left click and hold your left mouse and apply the liquify effect, right? So you need to hold your left mouse and move the mouse, right? Like this. So as you can see, I'm creating a warp effect with my mouse, just drawing these circles. You can do that, for example, but you can of course also customize the brush here by changing the hardness, the opacity, the speed, also the type of blur, like Gaussian blur, sorry, not blur, but liquify, linear, and so on and so forth. I will leave it at this. And then, guys, let me just change the hardness, for example, the opacity and the speed, and let us take a look how it would look like now. So like this, for example, we can also liquify the borders of the image or the frame like this. Yeah, and that's it. So to apply these changes and edits, guys, what you want to do is click into apply in the top left. If you click into cancel, the default state or appearance of the image will be restored. And that's how you liquify an image or add a liquify effect to an image. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.